Hello and welcome to the 160th of a second photography podcast. Today I'm trying something new and using software to create the episode rather than recording the episode myself. Let me know what you think. I'm trying this out to see if it saves me time and improves the podcast. If you don't like it, do let me know. Obviously, this isn't my real voice, but is a computer-generated voice. So on to the episode. GoPro has published details about the Hero 9. A few episodes ago I talked about how I would never buy another GoPro again, simply as GoPro have terrible customer service. As you may know, I experienced their dreadful customer service firsthand. So what's changed in the GoPro Hero 9? Let's find out a little more about it. It's bigger in size than before and has a bigger battery. It has a front screen, and this is likely the reason for the increased battery and size. It can film up to 5K 30 and 4K 60. There's a mode which keeps your horizon level. Hypersmooth has been improved further with Hypersmooth 3. The lens cover can be changed and replaced should it get damaged. This was lacking on the Hero 8 and was a big disadvantage of the Hero 8. Images can be taken at 20 megapixels in RAW and with HDR, that's an improvement over the 12 megapixels before. You can schedule recording within the GoPro. This is a killer feature. To be able to set a start and end time for recording in advance and have the camera turn on, record and then turn off automatically is amazing. GoPro are selling the Hero 9 with a subscription to their GoPro Plus service. And you get £100 off a GoPro Hero 9 if you subscribe. The subscription gives you cloud backup, replacements and 50% off some items in the GoPro store. I'd avoid the GoPro store completely based on my experience, and the cloud backup is only worth it if you have fast upload speeds. Should you wish to buy the GoPro Hero 9 from a retailer like Amazon, it will cost £100 more and not include the GoPro Plus service. So the GoPro Hero 9 sounds amazing, but having to buy direct from GoPro to get the best deal really puts me off. There's also consideration of what else is out there in the action camera space. You could get a cheap knockoff action camera like an Akaso. Or you could go for the DJI Osmo Action. That has a front screen. Or you could go for the Hero 8 or Hero 7. All of these options don't have 5K, but do you really need 5K? I'd personally avoid the Hero 8 as you can't change the lens cover should it get damaged. I'd go for the Hero 7 instead. I do like that the 9 has its mounts built in as it was on the Hero 8. This makes things just a little easier and more portable, but it's not a game changer. Scheduled time-lapses really appeal to me too. You can set the start time and end time and it will switch on and off automatically. You can schedule the GoPro up to 24 hours in advance. I wouldn't have to worry about all my accessories not working with the Hero 9, as I sold them all some time ago. Of course, the low light quality isn't going to be great with a camera of this size. Recent GoPros have been able to live stream, but I can't really see myself using this. After selling my Hero 7, I do miss having a GoPro. The new features make it super simple to use, it's so portable and unlikely to get damaged. It could be a really good vlogging camera and general use camera. But do I want to go with another GoPro again? One thing that stopped me from buying it was it would make my Fimi Palm redundant. The Fimi Palm's got a problem, so I'd struggle to sell it and therefore just wouldn't sell it. This would mean that it would just gather dust as the GoPro 9 would likely completely replace it. This makes me unlikely to buy the GoPro Hero 9. What do you think? Are you interested in a GoPro Hero 9 or are the alternatives better?